Welcome to our channel Programming with Praveen Khanna. Today's our C language topic on creating, compiling and executing a program. This is our topic. Here you see our program. If we want to compile and execute, for that purpose computer understands machine language only. Computer doesn't understand high level language. Actually, high level language will be in the form of English language like statements, whereas in the case of machine language or low level language, it will be in the form of zeros and ones. Computer understands only machine language. To convert our source program into machine language, here four steps are required. They are here writing and editing the program. Next, compiling the program, linking the program with required modules, executing the program. Here, now we have to create a program, compile the program, and execute the program to convert into machine language. Our program, if we want to convert our program into machine language, we have to create. That means we have to write the program, next we have to compile the program, next we have to execute the program. For that purpose, four steps are required to turn into machine language. You see here, we have to write the program and we edit the program on the text editor. Next, we compile the program. Next, we link header files to our program. Header files are standard toolbox like. In that, all functions will be defined according to our requirement. We take the functions from the header file. Next, we execute the program or we run the program. For that purpose, we use the text editor. On the text editor, we write the program. We write the source program. This is the source program. We write the source program on the text editor. That is the first step, writing and editing. We can write the program and we can edit the program on the text editor. After writing the program on the text editor, after writing the source program, base program, our main program on the text editor, after that, we will go for the compiler. Okay, here compiler is a translator. It will translate into machine code of object code. Here compiler is a special program. Okay, here during the compilation phase, syntax errors will be occurred. Syntax errors are comma, full stop, semicolon. All these are the syntax errors. During the compilation phase, syntax errors will be occurred. Here you see our compiler will take the source program, then it will compile. Compiler is a special program. It will compile into machine code of object code. That machine code of object code will be in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, only machine can understand. Computer can only understand. We can understand, but by using a special program only, we can understand this object code or machine code. Okay, after compiling, okay, after successful compilation of the program, that means with no errors, with zero errors, then we link. Actually here, you see here, it's a header file. We have to link this to our program. Actually, actual execution will be there from the void main function. You see here how it will be linked. The program object code and header files object code. This program object code and header files object code will both will link to our program. Both object codes, program object code and header file object code, these two both will link to the program. Next, here we link here only. At the time of linking, we link this header file object code to our object code of the program. Then we execute the program. The execution, this is the executable code. This is the running phase. Even though compilation is successful, runtime errors will be occurred at the time of execution. That runtime errors are divided by 0. Okay. Next, extending the extension of the size of the values. Okay. Divided by 0. Exceeding the size of the data type values. These are the runtime errors. Okay, we have to overcome that. We have to solve that runtime errors. Then the program will be successfully executed. Here, at the time of execution, the code will be taken from the hard disk to the memory. Then it will be executed. After successfully execution, now we take runner with the help of operating system. Runner or loader will show the output on the monitor. This is the output or result. Okay, that executable code will be in the form of .exe. Object code will be in the form of .obj. Okay, that executable file will be taken from the main memory by the runner or loader with the help of operating system. It will be shown, it will be displayed on the monitor, on the console. That is the output or result of a program. This is the building a C program. Okay, once I will revise here. Now we are going to write a program and compile and execute a program. For this, if we want to convert into machine language, we have to follow these steps. Why we have to convert the program into machine language? Computer can understand only machine language. 4 steps are required. First, write and edit on the text editor, then compile the program, then link the header files to our program, okay, with required modules, with required functions. In each header file, some functions will be there. Printf, scanf, power function, square root function, like that functions. We have to link the header files to our program. Next, we execute or run the program. You see here, this is the text editor. We write on the text editor. After that, we compile the program. During the compilation, syntax errors will be occurred. If we successfully compiled, then it will be converted into object code. That is the extension of, it will be stored separately as .obj file. That is, our .obj file will be generated. Okay, that will be stored separately in the memory. After completion of that object code, we have to link our header files of the object code to our program. Then we successfully execute. During the execution phase, we will get runtime errors and logical errors during the execution phase. Logical errors are, for example, if I want to do 3 plus 2, that is the answer is 5. But if I give 3 minus 2, we will get 1 only. So instead of plus, if I give minus, that is the logical error. Logic is wrong, incorrect logic. So during the execution phase, we will get the errors of logical errors and runtime errors. Okay. After that, the operating system, with the help of operating system, runner or loader will retrieve our executable code, that is the .exe, that will be stored separately, that executable file in the memory. The runner will retrieve, will fetch from the memory to the console or screen or on the monitor. Runner, with the help of runner, we display the program, the result program on the console or monitor. This is the building a C program, how to create, compile and executing a program. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe.